Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering high CPU usage, then watch this video to fix it. Now we can always look for the CPU usage on the task manager panel. So if you look for the performance, you can see the CPU usage here. Okay, mine is 31, 32%, not that much, but if you're having say above 70%, then you need to use the following steps to fix it. The first step is very simple. You just need to click the start button, click the Windows button and click on restart. Now you need to check the CPU usage again in the task manager. If it's gone down, then it's a good thing. If it's not, then we need to end some processes which might be causing this issue. So we'll click on the process tab and then we will click on this button in the CPU column to see the processes in the terms of the highest first and then the lowest. So I can see that this process is using 28% of my CPU usage. So what I will do is I will end this task, right? And now we will see how much it has affected my performance. So you can see from 32% it has gone down to around 11 to 12%, right? The next thing we need to do is to run a Windows update. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on updates, click on check for updates, and once that is done, install the update. And here you can check if there are any driver updates available and you can install them. Now another thing is to update the BIOS. So for that we will look for the Asus 1504FA BIOS update. Now how do I know my model number, or if I don't know my model number, it's very easy. I can just enter the command in the command prompt and then right click on it, click on run as administrator and then enter the command WMIC space CS product space get name and press enter. Now you can see that I have got the name of the product I'm using and the model number. So once you do that, go here and then click on the link of the manufacturer and look for BIOS and firmware, and then in BIOS update for Windows click on download and then allow it to run by running it as administrator, the running the installer as administrator. And then the last thing you can do is to do a virus scan for malware. So go to virus and threat protection settings, and if you're using a third-party app, you can go to that app and run the scan here. I'm using the pre-installed Windows antivirus software, so I will go to scan options, click on full scan and then click on scan now. Now to remove viruses is very important because what happens is they can hijack your processes and take a lot of your CPU usage. And now if all of this doesn't work, uh, in 95% of the cases these solutions reduce the CPU usage, but if still is not reduced, then you need to perform a reinstall. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on system, look for recovery and then click on reset this PC, click on remove everything. But before you do this, make sure that you update or preserve your transfer your personal app into the, or backup your personal data into the external hard drive, and then click on cloud download, click on next, and make sure that when you're doing a cloud download you have an active internet connection and it is working properly, because this will download the uh, Windows operating system from the Windows server online. So once that's done, you click on reset and it should reset the computer to a fresh version of Windows and you should no longer have a high CPU usage issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.